Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare glutathione versus NAD. We'll explore their unique functions and how they contribute to your well-being. Understanding these two critical molecules can help you make informed decisions about supporting your cellular health. Both play significant roles in keeping your body functioning optimally, and their levels naturally decrease over time. Let's dive into what makes each of them so important. Glutathione is often called the master antioxidant because it's found in every cell and is critical for protecting against oxidative stress. It helps your liver process and eliminate toxins, heavy metals, and metabolic waste, which is vital for detoxification. Beyond that, glutathione supports a robust immune system and helps regenerate other antioxidants like vitamins C and E, ensuring your cells stay healthy and resilient. NAD is like the rechargeable battery of your cells, powering hundreds of metabolic processes. It's fundamental for converting food into energy, a process known as ATP production, which fuels nearly all cellular activities. Furthermore, NAD is vital for repairing damaged DNA and activating sirtuins, a group of proteins linked to healthy aging and cellular regulation. Maintaining optimal NAD levels is key for sustained energy and cellular resilience. So, which is better? The truth is, they both are essential and work synergistically. Glutathione acts as your cellular protector, cleaning up harmful compounds, while NAD provides the fuel and repair mechanisms to keep everything running smoothly. Combining their benefits can lead to enhanced energy, better detoxification, and improved overall cellular health. They truly are a power duo for rapid recovery and detoxification. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to support your wellness journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.